All right, and we are live. We are live. Let me get the music going for the day. Let's see. Hold on. Gotta get that to a perfect level. I don't want it too loud. All right. Let me share this out to you guys so we can get other people up in here. Get the show started. Welcome to Chill Times with Squids. Your host, SQUiDzzz with 3 Z's. I come in peace, and I might be world famous. We're on the StadiaDosage channel this morning to get the day going with the Chill Times with Squids, affiliated with PNTS Network as well, which is also StadiaDosage. So, yes, man, what did you guys think of that summit yesterday? I actually enjoyed it. I was, my little tech brain was just like, whoa, whoa. A lot of stuff, a lot of information. At least now you know the whole process, right? And how to start to get a Windows system game in here, either 64 or 32. Hopefully it's a 64-bit, but 32 is going to be a bit harder, obviously. But yeah, that was pretty big there. And then just seeing again the whole process. And then if you guys wanted to see like a little more synopsis breakdown of this and just kind of see in a more concise way. Hold on, let me actually get to it. I'm trying to get to it, but my other Chromebook, the data's not working, of course. Why? Oh, jeez. Data turning off. That's funny. You can turn this on here. Hey, yo, it's me, SQUiDzzz. Hello. What's up, Lo-Fi Monk? How you doing, brother? Good morning to you, too. And hello, Salar, a new guy here. I haven't talked to you before here, Salar. Hello. Nice to see you. Salar Yunus. I don't know if that's right. Yunus? Forgive me. But yes, hope you guys are all doing well out there. I'm trying to get to this PNTS network site, but my internet on this thing. Why the fuck? Hold on, I'm going to turn this off. But yeah, let me share this out too so people know that we are live. What games have you guys been playing? I played a little bit yesterday. A few different things. The best part about Stadia is you could just literally hop into everything. I don't hear the music anymore. What happened to it? Did it stop? It did. Why did it stop? What? Hold on. I was like, why did it stop, though? Okay, let me share this out. Ooh. Come on. All right, let me share this out on here. Live now. Oh, you could change your Ubisoft thing to Stadia? Hold on. I'm going to do that real quick. Shout out to Ninja Guy X. I just saw this. They only had the Xbox and other shit now, but you can actually register for Stadia. Let me do that real quick on the side. All right, let me share this to the other Twitter. Sorry, I'm doing this on one screen right now. This other Chromebook is not working with me. I don't know why. It's funny. There's always one or two that's like, hey. All right, let me share it here. And if you guys can share it in your social spaces too, so we get more people up in here too, that would be much appreciated. Your coffee and come on back. Okay. Let's see. Come on by, we are live. Okay. Post that. Register now. Why? What? Oh yeah, Stadia. It's interesting. They literally just added that. So that's good. Huh. Oh, like how you guys popped the chat off while I was gone. Hello. Thanks for coming on by, Salar. I'm looking forward to the Risk of the Rain demo. Oh, you haven't played it yet? I haven't got to it yet. Yeah, dude, it's a really good game. I've got hours on that game too. I'll probably do like a playthrough here soon for the new characters. Need to figure out how to get them. There's 2 new characters, a railgun guy and a void, this void thing. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to get that. So that should be fun. I had some, if you go check my channel, you can check out some replays of that game. That game's really fun though. I wish more people played it though, because people are so afraid of the roguelites. But my progress isn't saved. Yeah, sort of is, a little bit. You get a new game every time, right? Oops. But not a member? Why aren't you a member? Become one today, dang it. We got some member exclusive content coming up. Probably later this week, because I do have a lot of extra time. So I'm going to be getting a lot, maybe 2, because I was supposed to last week. I'm going to try to make that a commitment, like 1 or 2 every week. So that way you guys got some member content. Let's see. Okay, now let me go over here. Where was that breakdown here? Ah, yes, here it is, right here on the side. Perfect. Shout out to Jack the Slip. Let me switch to the loopy doopy music for a bit. I gotta share this. Okay. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit here. So if you guys missed this little bit, this actually kind of breaks it down very nicely here. So that way you guys can understand a little bit more. Like the ones that don't know programming stuff, you can kind of understand this a little bit more, or know like Linux distributions or anything like that. This is really how, again, you make like how you put a Windows game onto Linux. And just, like there's other factors on there. Like each thing you have to picture as a different asset or resource. So you have to kind of like call on to it. And so there's certain things that you can do and some things you can't do. Let's see. So shout out to Jack the Slip. He made this nice article, like I said, just to break down the information, have it easily digestible. I'll kind of break it down a little bit further here for you guys. Let's see. So a Windows game typically relies on one Windows system calls for various purpose, e.g., for example, accessing storage, UI, etc. 2, DirectX. You guys probably know about your DirectX drivers, right? You got to always update that, and that's part of your GPU. So that's 2 things, right? For the Windows stuff, and then you need a SDK or API that's basically like running, your backend stuff like achievements, friends lists, etc. Probably like your feed, maybe even the store, you could say. So all that type of stuff, like the like the bare bones background part of the actual like running of the system. And then you got the Windows part again at the beginning. So you have to kind of tell the Linux things to do that. So you have to kind of go down here, right? So you get the Windows game. Well, to run well, you have to do these three things. So you have the Windows system and the OS calls. Then you have the DirectX, and then as well as the platform calls. So basically with this, the source translation is either Wine or Proton or similar. So it's like, basically, like you have to go to make a game on Stadia, you have to go and make custom almost everything, right? Like custom everything, and then also have it set for many different types of screens. There's all these different things that you have to do. And then that boils down to the Linux part, right? And then you got Vulkan, which is the GPU of Linux. So pretty much like with Windows stuff, you got the DirectX 11, 12, so on. Right, not right now. I think it's like 12 right now or something, if I'm not mistaken. It's been so long since I've been on Windows system. I think DirectX 10 or 11 was the last time I was messing around with it. But anyways, you have to grab that, right? And that's mainly what gives you your GPU performance and gives you the graphics part of the Windows game. And so you have to translate that to Vulkan, so then the Linux system can understand what it's displaying, right? And then you got the platform calls. Basically, to translate the platform/theme SDK to Stadia SDK. So basically, putting that system almost like an emulator, right, into a Stadia thing, right? That's kind of what that part is about. Here, we'll go a little bit further. So, let's see. Yeah, we'll just kind of read this, right? So, oops, hold on, I messed up. Why is this? Okay. Ever since the DXVK project was listed in Metro Exodus credits, the community has known that DXVK and DXVR native has been in use in bringing DirectX 10 games to Stadia. If you look at the last GitHub page, it actually lists why EASE 8 and EASE 9 using DVK or DXVK native on Stadia as well. So that's a big key thing right there. So we already have games that are using the DirectX stuff. It's just a matter of implementing it more on other games and making that custom build for them. So that's where the porting kit comes in here. So there's ways that you can use the DXVK native system here. Stadia appears to be using it as part of its existing porting toolkit to translate DirectX calls to Vulkan calls in the source code itself. For example, before the code is built, from comments today, it appears the porting toolkit also contains some other translation tools, preferably for Windows system calls and perhaps the platform SDK. My guess is that the source-to-source translating tool will probably get a 90% of the way to a working game on Linux/Stadia, leaving it up to the developers to debug and patch any issues that pop up. And that's the tough part, is the debugging and patching things, like having that consistency, right? You have to go back and check the game and have people actually test the game. And there's so many different requirements as well that Stadia has for the game to be even on there. So it's also up for the publisher to be doing their due diligence and having that right person, making sure the patches are being implemented right, making sure the achievements are being implemented right. Like, why is that Mad Streets and is it Mad? No. I think Dawn of Monsters. There's a few games that don't have like achievements, but they have achievements on the other systems. So it's just a matter of actually putting that implementation in, which again, they're looking for those people. Hey, yo, what's up, Nerds World? Let me catch up on chat before we go into the next part. Actually, hold on, let me finish this part. So here's the upside. So most of the process can be automated with tools. So that's one part that, again, it gives you, is it makes it easier with the tools that Stadia is designed. This is the developer toolkit. Then I can't even talk. Delivers a native Linux /Vulkan app. So basically, it gives you that native experience to deliver, a nice Linux system that runs smoothly, as well as the Vulkan for the for the visual part, for the GPU. Downsides: it's not 100% automated, so there's no AI learning or anything tied to it that can help again, kind of just, help keep things in a line, really. Everything is done in source, so it may be it may need to be retranslated and applied any manual patches for each update of the game. So that's the other part. So like, again, that's what I'm talking about. Like, they have to actively go in there and do the work for it. And so if that company is like not doing their work, they're being negligent, that type of thing, that's where, again, like, it has to all be done by like almost custom, like by hand, right? We'll go over the next piece in a second. But so far, am I kind of like, I guess, making sense to you guys? I don't know. Let me know in the comments here. Boosteroid Ron is here. Winye is in the house. Let me bless this chat with my presence real quick. What up, Winye? SQUIDZZZ, we can rock Risk of Rain 2 sometime today or this week. Okay, hell yeah. Hell yeah. What's up, Lo-Fi? Hey, yo, what's up, Nerds World? Nerds World! Nerds World! Appreciate everyone dropping in here. Can you drop a link in the chat for that article for us? Yeah, hold on. Sorry, my cat is just chewing my chair and it's being a handful right now. Every morning, she has to, like, come up here. Every morning. Hey. Chill. Yeah, if you want to check that out, there's the link for it. But shout out to Jack to Slip. He put in some work for this. Definitely don't want to take full credit for this at all. Like, this is his work entirely. So I already understood most of this without looking at this before, just from the programming stuff and then also watching it too. But this, again, is more so for you guys that don't know all that stuff, so you can kind of understand a little bit further. All right, so let's go into the next part here. So execute with Wine/Proton, and then DirectX VK and Vulkan 3D engine under consideration. So Wine has been under development in the Linux community for a couple decades now. It allows users to install and run unmodified Windows applications and games on Linux. Codeweavers and Valve are the two major contributors. On the order of 10,000 Windows games are known to run well on Linux via Wine and Proton, Valve's fork of Wine. With the help of DirectX VK, for DirectX 11, it's either going to be less than or equal to 11, and then the Vulkan will be for DirectX 12. So that's, again, like, there's games that are on a DirectX 11 and 12 right now. So it's like it's crazy. And I was working, at least when I was doing a lot of the PC stuff, I was working with like DirectX 10 and things like that. But no, this is a whole nother level though. But this is what the Steam Deck uses to allow folks to play a majority of their Steam games on a Linux-based device. So that's the thing. It's a Steam OS, right? It's a Linux-based system. Steam has kind of proprietary stuff around it. So that's where, they have a lot of different things, but you can kind of use the same tactics because it is open source and they use, Unity and a few other things in a lot of their games. So... yes, it's important to note that Wine is not an emulator. It's not really, don't think of it as that. It just really, like, it's not even a virtual box either. It's kind of like, almost like, what's the word? It's almost like calling a library in a way, or, I don't know. It's hard to really explain it. It's just really something that will run Windows. Like, that's all it is. Like, it's not really a virtual machine either, so you can't really say that either. But it doesn't emulate hardware instructions in software. What it does is simply re-implement Windows functions loaded at runtime, not compile time. So basically on top of Linux. So you can be very low. So overhead can be very low. So basically you could do a lot with that, is what that means. Have any games on Stadia? Wait, have any games released on Stadia this way so far? It's so hard. It's hard to say. The Stadia Linux environment is stripped down, but in principle, it seems like a game developer could build Wine and its dependencies and package their game and Wine together. Whether anyone has done this, it's hard. This is hard to say. It also seems like a simple policy decision to include Wine dependency in the Stadia environment. While today's presentation was largely about Path 3, the Stadia team did say using Wine/Proton was under consideration. And then here's the upsides here. So in many cases, absolutely nothing would have been changed in the code. So that's really one big update there. So they can kind of just, again, get away with just not copy pasting, but just putting things in there easily. Wine is a pretty bulky package to install, so that's one downside, and it tries to implement everything in any Windows app would ever need. So it does do, like, you can't just like isolate and say like I just want to call these few things to it. You have to kind of call it all, and then it's like you don't need it all, but you also need it to run your Windows game. So it kind of, that's where, again, like when you want to, like, if you were to choose to game on Linux system or Windows system, the Linux system is going to be faster just because Windows has so much like extra things in the background that you have to do, or that not you have to do, but the system is doing. And then if you want 32-bit support, you need to install even more dependencies in the form of compatibility libraries. So that's the other part as well, is like if you get a 32-bit game, you're gonna have to do a lot more work just to get the 32-bit converted to 64-bit for the 64-bit system inside of Linux. So it's just like, it gets crazy when you have to do all that extra shit like that. And that's why, again, they're looking for people to do that, and then they're also making these tools to make it a lot easier. And then Path 3, so develop your own Wine Lite. This is basically Stadia testing with several games. This path will focus on today's presentation. Instead of using Wine/Proton as it is, Google engineers have been developing their own re-implementation of Windows system functions. This is similar in spirit to using Wine, but it contains only the features needed without everything that is not. By working through a handful of games, the team has built up a list of Windows functionality commonly needed, which should make moving future games over easier. And we got the upsides and downsides. So like Wine, but less bloated. Once fully developed, it can run unmodified Windows games. So that's the part, it's like it has to be developed. And that's, again, Stadia is looking for that. So, and then downsides. So for every new game you try to run, there are many new functions you need to add to Wine Lite. And so that's why, again, like going back to the maintenance thing, it's going to be like really micromanaged, which, again, not that you want to micromanage your code, but it's just like you have to do a lot of that with making, Wine Lite or a Wine system. You have to constantly go in there. And then it doesn't have decades of development and an army of developers working on it like Wine. So that's the other part too, is like it's newer. And so a lot more people are starting to kind of learn it. And then there's other publishers that are getting people that know that stuff with them. Because I don't know if you guys noticed, like when you go through credits, I roll some credits a lot. So there's the Stadia credits, and then there's actually like the game credits. So there's like a whole separate team that made, like there's the game people that made it, right? But then there's also the Stadia team of people that made it. So think about that, I guess, next time you go to try a game on Stadia, or just be thankful for, again, the games that we have on Stadia, because they, again, are so complex to get on here. Such a complex system. But yeah, that's a little short and sweet of it. But yes, let me read this last part. So there you have it. There are many options to the Stadia team is not just looking at, but actively using to bring Windows games to Stadia/Linux. Exciting times, indeed. Shout out to Jack the Slip for this very nice article, because, again, you guys can read it a little bit more, kind of digest it a little bit more, but I kind of just wanted to take a little bite off of it and chew it with you guys and let you know on, what I thought of it. But Yeah, pretty good article there. Really good. Shout out to that man there. Very smart. Let me see here. Let me pop this back on. Whoa, we got into a funky part on here. Whoa. Hold on, let's go back like 30 seconds here. What were you doing before? Not much, just woke up about to get some coffee and get to work on some content. Ooh, okay. That's what's up. Yeah, no problem, Lo-Fi. Windows has too many background processes running. I use Linux daily, love it. It's smooth as heck. Yeah, dude. Yeah, like I don't know. I'm kind of glad that my potato PC is out of commission because I don't have to deal with the damn Windows updates. Because it's like, I don't know, 40% of the time I wasn't using my PC, but then that 40% of the time I was updating or doing more updates and things for stuff that I didn't need it to update. So just like, what the hell? I don't know. Honestly, I think I like Chrome OS a lot. It's just one of my favorites. Simple, but also complex too. And then at Nerds World, always great to work on content. Oh yes, Winye knows. Every time I use Linux, I'm amazed at the speed, even on low-end hardware. Yeah, exactly. Like I love messing around on my Raspberry Pi still a lot. I'm gonna probably go take a look at it again to see if maybe I can run Stadia and things on that. I might be able to get away with it now, since there's been some updates and things. But I don't know. Might dust off the old Pi 400, see what's up. But I'll maybe do that later. That's like one of the little side tech things I like to do is like play Stadia on stuff that I shouldn't play it on, right? Just like how people play on a Mac, which is, to me, like, let me know if you guys think this is the same. Like, I feel like Mac is like almost a distribution of Linux in a way, right? But they like twisted it just enough so it's like their own thing. I don't know. I just feel like sometimes it is. Like it just like, I don't know. I like to say it's like almost like a Linux with just a prettier interface that you pay all this money for, right? It's not true though, but I don't know. Because no, not really. It's similar though. Because it's based on Unix, so it's a little bit different. But, I don't know. It still feels like it, though. It feels like whenever I use a Mac, though, it feels like I'm using a Linux thingy. Not sure if it's complex to be requirements a developer should know. I just saw a game engineer job in New York, and you needed to know Unity, Linux, Java, JavaScript, etc., etc. So I don't know as a developer. Yeah, that's the thing. So there's many different types of development. So I mean, there's game development, there's software design, there's front end, there's back end, there's web development. There's, oh my god, there's so many different things you can do with programming. Purely what was talking about yesterday was purely for like the game design stuff. But for the software development, that's different things. Like that's where you get, the Unity, Linux, Java, and JavaScript. So it's not like using it in the Stadia stuff. It's more so in other implementations. Probably more on the like, honestly, like just on the data side of things, like just finding data. That's where you kind of would have that. Like my boy Luis knows 5 languages of code and gets paid big money, almost 150K a year. Yeah, no, that's what I'm trying to do. One day, I gotta go back to school though. No, this was a game developer job actually. Oh, okay. Yes, make sure you guys are following us on the Twitter, the StadiaDosage Twitter, for all the updates. Got a cat in my lap, the handicap of the day, like always. Oh man. Hold on, I'm registering now for that early access. So it's set for the Xbox, but now that they added the Stadia option, I want to definitely do it there, so I don't have to waste time downloading. And maybe have the same upset like I did with the Stranger Paradise game, which I still don't understand that, but that's a whole nother topic. Did it even do what I needed it to do? We'll do that later. But what are you guys playing out there? I actually got done playing a lot of different games last night on my channel. If you guys are watching the stream, I appreciate you guys. And it was just amazing. Like, if you guys haven't played that Typing Chronicles game, man, pretty good, each one of them. Like, Nanotail's pretty cool, and then the what is it? Epistory? Yeah, Epistory. Hold on, my Stadia's loading. Give me Epistory, dang it. I'm trying to look at it. I'm showing Destiny 2 and all these other ones. Let me go to it. It's towards the bottom. But yes, this game, it can be played with the controller, but it's not as fun. It's just like you're putting in GTA codes all day. Like, it's just A, B, A, Y, Y, B, Y, A, Y. I don't know. It's just like, okay, if you like doing that, then I guess do that. But I'm going to play the typing game for the typing aspect of the game. Which, yeah, it was pretty cool. They have a lot of different languages on it, actually. I messed around with some German, did some Japanese too. That was quite interesting. Gave you the romaji behind the kanji and the katakana and stuff, but yeah, it was pretty cool though. And then I got stuck on the German part because they threw out it was like Arta or something like an umlaut A, and I don't know how to do umlauts on the Chromebook, so I was just like, we're in trouble. So I had to switch the language back because I can't do umlauts. At least I could on the Windows thing. I kind of know how to do that, but I'd still have to look it up at least because there's alt codes for that, which again, I don't know if Linux has, or not Linux, Chromebooks have that capability. I'll have to look more into that. But yeah, I couldn't copy paste in that game either, so it's not like I could be like, oh, here's this word, and then boom. So that was pretty fun though. I had a blast playing it. If you guys want to check out those replays, check out my channel. Played a little bit of that last night, and then played 2 hours of Nanotail for a first look. So I definitely liked those games, I guess you could say. And then the other day I rolled credits on Watchdog Legion, and now I'm almost done with Control, but I'm also really getting into Darkwood. Oh. What's up, David P? Those are good games, man. Watch Dogs Legions, I need to get that myself, and then Control, I'm on actually the Alan Wake part and stuff, so still got to go through that part, but I did beat the regular part of the game. I got to go through the post-game add-on stuff and everything. So that'll be interesting. And then Darkwood, yeah, I did a first look on that. I'll probably go back into it here. Man. And then, like I said, playing Dirt 5. Okay, Dirt 5 is sick. We'll have to play more of that. And Dead by Daylight. I need to finish Resident Evil 8 and wrap up Far Cry 6. Shit, it's a lot, and that's nothing. Didn't even start Dawn of Monsters, man. I'll get there. Oh, dude, you haven't started Dawn of Monsters? Brah, what are you doing? You need to start that. I know so many other people that haven't even started it either. Like, please, try that game out. Try out Ganera. Shout out to Ganera. Ganera. And then we have, oh, you meant to say Dead by Daylight. Gotcha. Getting back into Valkyria Chronicles 4. What's up, Gandara? How you doing, man? Nice to see you. Valkyria Chronicles 4 is a good one, too. Shout out to Winstar, Winye. Basically, he does a playthrough of that. I don't know how much longer he has on it. He's like he's up there in the parts. So definitely go check out the content there. Darkwood is dope hard though. Trying to figure it out. I have to come back to it. Yeah, I got like, I don't know. I got through the first quadrant. I'm going to the next part of it here soon. Once I get back into it with more time. I'd definitely like to do Resident Evil 8 and a few other games that I bought first before I do like more pro games. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Darkwood has a depth which I didn't expect. Yeah, no, definitely. A lot of these games have depth with, like, especially Dawn of Monsters. If you guys don't think that game's deep, that one goes a little deep too. Goes in with just the extra stuff there. And let's see, we have the StadiaDosage website, which that's where I pulled that article from. Again, shout out to Jack the Slip for that wonderful, wonderful article. Lots of juicy information to just break down the summit yesterday, like without getting all the, technical jargon and stuff. Kind of broke it down into almost layman terms. And then I kind of broke it down again further for you guys, a little bit further, best my ability with the past coding stuff that I know and everything. But yeah. But check out that website for a lot of good information. Stuck on chapter 1. I did the prologue. I think that's what you mean. Yeah, okay, so you did the prologue. Essentially just go around your house. Just like discover everything around your house. And then I'll just tell you kind of where to look. Just towards the south, there's this one entrance there. You want to try to find this like fox guy. Once you find him, then he'll be like, oh, I'll meet you in the next area, that type of thing. So you just go over there. You have to find him though. And then once you do, then you can go to the next part and then, yeah, go from there. I don't know what happens after that though. So, excuse me. But if you're enjoying the show, be sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you feel the vibe. This is Chill Times with Squids on the StadiaDosage channel. So hit that bell as well, so that way you are notified when we are live, and you know when we got other content going too. Ooh, I just cracked my back. Ooh. I found the Wolfman, but the red mist follows me south. It kills me. I'll get it. Oh shit. Yeah, you'll figure it out. And I'm going to give everyone a quick shout out before I forget. And it gets too far into the show, but I hope you guys are enjoying the show today. Nice little information nugget for you guys. But yeah, I was all getting ready to shout out myself. Yes, StadiaDosage. Thanks for coming. Yeah, that's me. What's up, Lo-Fi? Thanks for coming on by. Appreciate you, brother. As always. Thank you. Salar, thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you. Christopher Torres, thank you. Appreciate you, brother. Oh, see you. Oh, still waking up on my end. Daylight savings. I got to get used to it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even deal with that crap over here. I just, you guys are always, now you're on our time, right? Now you're on our time. No, this is what we've had the whole time. No, Destroyed Ron is here. What's up, man? Nice to see you. Thank you for coming on by. We got Winstar715, aka Winye. Get out of his way. You don't want to get in his way, otherwise he'll get your chain snatched out, like Debo did. And he doesn't care if your grandma gave it to you or what. He'll just take it. Like he said, Winye's in the house, let me bless this chat. His presence is a blessing. So we better thank him for being here. So thank you, Winye. Thank you. Arigato. Arigato shimasu. And then we got Nerds World. Hey, yo, Nerds World, my dude. Thanks for coming on in, being a member as well. And shout out to Torres for being a member as well, too. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Who else we got up in here? David P. From the Woodworks. David P. Hey, yo, hey. Thank you for coming on by, brother. Appreciate you. Gandara. Hey, thank you, Gandara, as well. And thank you for playing with me as well on the community plays. Remember on the Dead by Daylight and a few other games too. Thank you. All right. Yeah, we're caught up on the chat. If you guys didn't know, I am doing a giveaway. I'll go ahead and post this again in the chat here. There's a couple more days left, so if you guys haven't signed up, now's a good time to do that. I'll go and grab that for you guys real quick. Basically, what I'm giving away is a spicy wasabi controller. Spicy wasabi. So all you have to do is pretty much be following me on Twitch, follow me on Twitter, retweet my posts, and then visit my YouTube page. You don't have to subscribe. I'd like you to, but it's not really a requirement. I can't really make you do that. But if you do want to do that, I'd appreciate it. But because that's the whole reason why I'm doing it, is for the sub goal there that I've had. Hit 300 recently. It was like 310. We're climbing now. We're at like 340 right now. So it just keeps hiking up. On Twitter, we're at 992 followers, which we're almost at that 1,000 mark, baby. Hell yeah, feels good. Let me see what else. Let me go grab this giveaway post, and shout out to Jack the Slip again on this, because without him, this wouldn't be possible for the giveaway that I have going for you guys. So shout out to him for helping me out with that. Gonna be helping you guys get a spicy wasabi controller, the best controller that you can have on Stadia. The best. I don't care what anyone says. This is the best one that you can have right here. Let's see. I know that's my opinion too, but yes. Where is the giveaway? There's too many posts I've been doing. Oh yeah, here it is. All right, let me retweet it again. So you guys got it again, fresh for today. Couple days left. Then we'll announce the winner on Saturday. Left. Be sure to get your entries in. And good luck. Big thank you to Slip. Come on, find him on Twitter. You know him. You know him. There he is. Oh wait, no, it's his other account. No. Okay. All right. This is for a spicy wasabi controller. Stadia controller. All right. So yes, make sure you get your entries in. Still doing that. Hey yo, the Android. No webcam support for us. Yeah, no worries. I mean, it'll probably be later. Who knows? Who knows? But you can't cry over something that we didn't have, right? So no skin off my back. But yes, I'm doing good. I hope you're well too. That's good. But yes, become a member today, dang it. Become a member today. We got spicy content lined up. Probably do, if you guys don't know how I play Nanotale or the Typhon Chronicles, maybe I'll do that for member content, because main games, whoever was watching the show last night knows what I was doing. I was doing some crazy shit with that. Like, I don't know. It did not make any sense, but it was the words that I was giving on the game, and it made him laugh. It made me laugh. It was great. So stay tuned for that. I don't know. Maybe we'll call, like, shout out to him too, because he gave me this idea for like a show, which is basically he said it was diving in deep with squids, or going in deep with squids, something like that. Shout out to him for that suggestion. So I might take that and run with it, but I'm still also going to give him that credit, because appreciate that suggestion. Very true, man. Played any Siege yet? The team deathmatch is mad. Oh, there's team deathmatch, huh? Ooh. Yeah, I'll have to check that out then. Because, I mean, don't get me wrong, I do like the search and destroy aspect and things like that on it, but because that's my forte. But team deathmatch, you know, that's also pretty fun too. We can go in with that. Man, oh man, I didn't know that. That actually could be something we do maybe this week. What did you guys play Siege this week? If we did that for the community play, or let me know what games you want to play for the community play for this week. I might do a poll to see, but I don't know. Might have to ice 9 to 5, and then we'll wait until I like have 10,000 subscribers, and then we'll play 9 to 5 or something. But I don't know. But yeah, let me know in the chat what you guys might want to play, that type of thing.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir. Blast, and it was hilarious. Sorry, I'm typing a message real quick. Man. And shout out to Main Games for the support, and you guys as well. I appreciate all you guys for supporting me each and every day. Because this show's been quite consistent, and same with my content, quite consistent. I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's hard to keep up. You telling me, man. You're telling me. But like I said, I'm just getting started. We're just getting this party started, man. People are really gonna think I'm like unhealthy with the amount of games that I'll be playing here soon. But that's the best part about the cloud is like you don't have to download, you don't have to update, you don't have to wait. You just jump right in. All you got is time, baby. Just to play the games. And then really it's like then I gotta worry about my human traits, like my hands getting sore, right? Then I gotta eat, I gotta have water, gotta go to the bathroom, all the human stuff. You cut that out, right? Cut that out, right? Then maybe play gaming all day. Cut out some sleep, you know, sleep for like an hour or two. You're playing so many games, right? But it's not healthy. It's not healthy to do that. So you have to have a balance. I used to do that. I used to do that when I played WoW. Trust me. I don't know. I actually woke up kind of early today. I don't want to tell you how early I woke up because then you guys would really think I'm crazy. But because I kind of just had like a monk nap, if you will, like less than a monk nap, probably like because I only sleep like 5-6 hours, right? I slept like 3 or 4, something like that, and this was up. I don't know. But that's just like, again, that's like how excited and stuff like I get because of just, again, like the Stadia tech and just stuff now moving and my own content moving and growing. Like it just gets me so excited and just, I can't go to sleep. I don't know. I just got to keep moving and grooving. Yeah, man, I hear that. The Siege option on Xbox is like 14 gigabytes, not here on Stadia. Yeah, exactly. And that's the other part too. Like, I'm glad you brought that download thing up because, like, I almost got to my data cap because I had to download 150 or more gigabytes, probably 200 gigabytes worth of data. So it just boosted me over my data cap, and probably now I got an overage on my internet bill, which Cox likes to charge $10 per like 50 gigabytes or something like that. Crazy. So extra like 20-30 bucks just from my damn Xbox because it was just like, hey, you want to try to play this game? No. You got to download it again. Try it again. No. It didn't work. Do you want to try it again? No. I'm not wasting my data again. Nope. Data or time. I'm not wasting it again. So, but yeah, I still got my Xbox. It still sits over here. It's just collecting dust, to be honest. But I got it for Time Machine box, so I can go buy old games, play my old 360 games, all that stuff. Kind of like a nostalgia trip, right? Expensive nostalgia trip. Quite expensive. But not a member? Why? Why aren't you a member? Become one today, dang it. We got some great stuff lined up. We're gonna probably get some member exclusive content. Might do like some more Nano Tales, but it might be like member exclusive stuff, and then I'll also do it on my channel too, so you guys can kind of get a taste of it. But it's so funny. It's so funny. I don't know why, but it's just the way. I don't know. You guys will have to just see. Oh man, you guys get screwed over there. It's very rare that we have any data caps over here. Yeah, man. Like I have a data cap. It's like 1750 or 80 or something. It was like 1580 or something like that. Like basically like 1 terabyte and some change. But I go through that so quickly with the streaming and with Stadia as well. Especially if I play it on this thing on the 4K. It'll use up a lot more data. But yeah, man, I gotta be conscientious of my data over here. Hey, yo, yo, yo! And now your mama knows. Now the party can start. Just kidding. We've already been partying, brother. You missed it. We kind of just went over like more of the nerdy stuff of yesterday, right? Just a little breakdown, SQUIDZZ's breakdown, I guess. Tied him mostly with Jack the Slip, kind of give him that breakdown. So I kind of broke down his breakdown of it, so you guys can kind of maybe digest it more. Try to break it down more in like terms where you guys can maybe understand it more. Not saying that his way wasn't, way for you to understand, but I don't know. Just the easier way to digest and stuff. But if anything, the article is here. It's in the chat actually somewhere. You guys have to dig for it, but check that out if you haven't already. Really good information from yesterday, just compiled and a nice format. So, but yeah, no, the information from yesterday was very nice. I'm glad so many people now get to try Risk of Rain in other games too, like without even having an account. Like what? You could go in there and look at the store and do a trial for pretty much any game. I'm gonna try that here later to see what if it's like, I think it's an hour per game or something like that. I'll have to check more into it. But yeah, really good update yesterday. Shout out to Stadia. Really good update. And then also like even the Google Games stuff portion, got to find out more stuff with that as well. And then also like who they're going to be working with the load change porting and stuff like that. Which let me get to that. I don't know if they posted it. I forgot where I saw it. Hold on. Ah, crap. Where did I see that? I might have retweeted it or something. Yeah. Let's see. I don't have it anymore. It's lost in the space. No. Do you know if you can party chat on direct stream now? All you just have to use game chat if I wanted to stream. Yeah, that's still the case. Because think about it this way, like YouTube can only pick up the game chat. They can't pick up your party as well. Maybe they can implement it for that to happen. So it's kind of like a Discord type thing. I could see that happening, but I don't know. It's again, they're still searching for people to even just get the bare bones and things running, at least for the back end. But yeah, if anything, like it could be a matter of time, just like how they added party chat to the mobile app. It's just a matter of implementation. Same with the webcam support. Like it's really just adding a few functions, and just again the way that you have to do Stadia stuff. It's like you have to make that function, then break that function, and put that function into this way, and then yeah, it's just there's a lot of things you have to do just to do one thing. And so unless like you're privy to that or you know your shit, like you pretty much aren't going to be doing that. So that's why, again, like I think it's just a matter of time, and that's why, again, development is key. It's not like something that happens over time. there's a lot of things that are spitballed and done for just stuff to be put on there. So, but it's just a matter of implementing, you know, that chat function into it, because it's a matter of just selecting it as a drop down, really, and then having, you know, the game be a part of it and all that stuff. But it's just the way how they have at least the direct stream designed. It can only pick up the game voice because you have to remember you're directly streaming from the YouTube servers. I wouldn't say like your party chat's off of the server per se. That's on top of that probably. So that's probably why it's on a different layer. So that's probably why it can't be you know, added to the Stadia stream. At least that's what I assume. But don't quote me on that. It's just, that's again just my assumption on that purely. I sure hope so, man. Always find the quality better on party. Yeah, no, it's definitely a lot more clear on the party chat for sure, for sure. So again, it's just gonna be a matter of them implementing it, and then once they do that, then they can maybe add the webcam support that everyone's asking for and all that stuff, because it's just a matter of putting it in there, which is not that hard. I don't want to say that it is, but yeah, because, you know, think about Zoom and all these other things that have video on it, so it's just a matter of adding that layer, that line of code or 2 or 70. But yo, cloud validation, what it do, what it do, what it is, what the business is. Oh wait, what it do, what it is, what the business is. That's what it is. I had to rhyme with that. Dancing over here. But thanks for coming on by, Cloud Validation. This song is cool. But yes, check out my YouTube, guys. We got probably like a hot 10 or 15 minutes, and today is SPC day, so we'll probably be doing a lot of streams today. So, and I don't really have anything planned. I have kind of my schedule set now at this point, so I might go off the rails a little bit, and you guys might think unhealthy, but I'll take my food breaks, my water breaks, my bathroom breaks. But yeah, SPC hype for sure. Yeah, man. So we'll be streaming that stuff probably a bit today. Might do a lot of first looks, because I've been trying to just hammer out all my first looks so that I could just be on top of it. So I'm like back to where I have only like 3 or 4 that I got to look at. So I have like 20 something that I still got to look at, man. It's crazy. And I don't try to like look at each one like by an hour. It's like 45 minutes to 30 minutes I try to aim for, but even still, like, that's 14 hours or something like that. If you crunch it all down, if you do half an hour each for 28 games, that's still a lot of time just to be spending on these new games that I have not touched, that still have the digital dust. I wish you could pay a fee and integrate your YouTube music into your YouTube channel and stream your music. Yeah, that could be cool. But I do like the YouTube studio music. It's definitely not that bad, because it could be a lot worse for sure. That's for sure. So I've listened to my fair share of music, and trust me, this is not that bad actually. For little background things that YouTube actually has in the studio, it's pretty cool actually. Oh, I don't have that set up. Dang it, I'm not on here. That's fine though. Pretty much what we last played on our channel. If you guys want to check that out, going over here. Close this. Close that. Gosh, I have some stuff on my phone. Yeah, we're at 340 subscribers, you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Yeah, so yesterday we played Crucible, and we did a first look of Epic Story. So it was pretty cool. And then we also did a first look on Twitch too. If you want to check out that first look over there for Luna game, check that out too. We also did the world famous Planting Squid show yesterday too. So if you missed that, that was pretty epic too. So check that out. Here's my YouTube again, so you guys can go check those things out. I'm probably gonna take like a food break after this, get some breakfast and more water and stuff in me. Kind of go from there. And then the day before that, we did like Nanotail and then Race with Brian, the Road Trip Deluxe, which those were kind of cool too. And Metro 2033, which Metro 2033, if you haven't tried that, that's a real nice game too. Crazy. SBC for life. You know it. You know it. Yep, SBC hype. SBC hype. Hype. Yeah, check out my little clips I got on my YouTube too. Little fusion action. Love using my Timeline's Vertex fusion. Probably one of the rarest fusions in the game, but ooh, I love it. Love it. Still can't switch it off, man. Lo-fi, peace. So did I throw you guys a curveball by having Duncan on my stream yesterday? I mean, not really for me, because I know you like him and stuff, so it wasn't really a surprise for me. I was like, oh, cool. To see his viewpoint on it. So it was interesting. And then cloud validation and him going back and forth was pretty funny too, but yeah. So like, go touch some grass, I think was the last thing I heard him say or something. I was like, oh snap. Oh snap. I didn't want to get into it, but it was quite spicy. Let's just say that. Hey, that was something I asked you yesterday. How did you get your channel monetized without having 1,000 subscribers? Did you hear my answer? I don't know. Well, just, I don't know, make sure you're here, but it's monetized with StadiaDosage, but my main channel is not, right? So I still get my cut on the Dosage channel for the content that I make on here. If I make more content, yeah, I'll get more money and things like that. More if people view it more, then yeah, more money. But it's not like crazy money or anything by any means. But yeah, no, I'm monetized on here just because I do a show on here, but it's not on my channel. Not monetized on my channel yet. I have to hit 1,000 and also hit 5,000 public watch hours, which I'm at like 2,600, 2,500. So it's really just that, and then really subscriber count that I got to get up. So yeah, once that happens, then I'll have my main channel monetized. But at least on here, this show's monetized because it's on this channel, if that makes sense. But yeah, no, but like, check out my channel though, my other YouTube there. I like to keep my enemies closer than my friends. You wild for that. You wild for that, man. When are you gonna invite me? No, I'm just kidding. We've been on a lot of shows and stuff too. And I know I could join yours at any time too. So no, just that's funny though. That is true. You like to keep your enemies close, and then like those when you had the like Sony Pony people and the Xbox people on your channel, I was like, oh, this guy's crazy having these guys on here. Man, they went off. That was wild. You should have that again happen. I don't know, somehow if you can get those people back on there. No, I don't know. But yeah, no, my channel isn't monetized. I'm streaming on someone else's channel. So that's kind of like again, like if you get onto like if you look at like what COD Extreme or Gaming Source Network, or what are other big ones, right? Like they have streamers on there, right? That channel's monetized, right? they get the stuff through there, but they also get their cut said on their videos, things like that. So it's just like, I don't know, once that channel's monetized, then you can kind of like have other people make content on it if you give them that access, but you can only have so many people on that account, if that makes sense. So you can even make like your own mini team if you wanted, right? Like pod validation, you can meet up with, you know, your boy Duncan, and now your mama knows, and you guys can be a powerhouse channel, stuff like that, that type of thing. Collaborate. That's where the collaboration part comes in, right? Like you can collaborate with a channel. So yeah, it does take time to kind of get out there and do that, because again, it's not like something that you could just go and do and ask. Like you have to get someone's, you know, information, and then them asking you to do stuff for the channel. So it's just like, okay, so no. So your channels are linked together. I didn't realize that. A little bit, yeah. Like I'm affiliated with StadiaDosage and SBC, PNTS network as well. I enjoyed it, and for the record, I don't have a personal thing against Duncan, but I just don't like his DJ style too much, mixing and scratching. Oh, I see it though. I can see it. I'm not a member. Why aren't you a member? Become one today, dang it. Do it to it. SQUIDZZZ, if you can get people to switch over to your channel, you'll be putting all these views to building up to your 4,000 watch hours. Oh yeah, no, definitely. Who knows? I might even do an extra morning show today, because I do have the time to. Okay, yeah, and then also just like, again, just kind of like being in chats, talking with people. Then you can start to maybe collaborate and stuff more, and people would be like, "Hey, I want to work with you," and all that stuff. So then, you know, get a part of the monetized channels, or even get your own channel monetized just from getting your stuff out there. They call Stadia fans toxic. Man, look, the Xbox and PlayStation fans are toxic. Yeah, no, they definitely can be. They definitely can be, a certain handful of them. Yeah, the channels are linked together, I guess you could say. Like, here, I'll link my channel. I think you're already subbed to it. But yeah, definitely if you want to check out that stuff, I do a lot of different things on there. And on my Twitch, you guys want to check out my Twitch. Twitch, do a lot of variety streams on there, mostly like Luna and Xbox stuff. I'll probably switch it now to more Luna stuff, just because like the Xbox quality is not up to par. So it's going to be broadcasting through the Twitch app, which only gives a max, like it does 1080p, but the bitrate is poop. I'm going to try to mess around with it more to see, but I don't see how I can optimize it on the broadcasting application on it too much. So that's why I love, like, again, YouTube integration and Twitch integration that Luna offers and that Stadia offers, because it's just so great for my streaming purposes. That's why Restream is dope. Yeah, I'll have to check it out. But yes, if anything, we might actually do a morning show on here. We'll let like maybe like, because about 8:30 my time, maybe in like an hour or so, maybe go back and do another morning show on my channel. Just kind of go through the day, and then just kind of like, yeah, give you guys like a schedule of the day. We'll figure out what games we're playing and stuff. So I might do that actually in an hour. Let's see. You stole my idea. I was just texting Duncan as you said that, and I'm sure he would be interested in collaboration with me. That's a no-brainer. Yeah. So that's what I mean, man. And then you could collaborate with them, and then if they got like a bigger channel or something like that, then maybe you could start to get some monetized stuff like that going. You know, things like that. So it's networking. Networking. Hoo-wee. But I hope you guys enjoyed the episode today. We'll probably go for another like 5 or 10 minutes. I'll probably get off of here, have some breakfast, and then probably get into another stream, and then we'll probably stream for the rest of the day. Because I honestly don't have to go anywhere. I got to go somewhere tomorrow, which is just renew my registration. So I just got to drive down the street, pay some fees, and then get a little tag, put it on my thing, and that's it. Actually, no, I wouldn't get a tag at first because I forgot. They got to send me the, they got to make my license plate or whatever. I forgot because I just got this new car. Huh. I'll get another like plastic sheet thing, I guess, to put on over it or whatever. And then they'll make my license plate at the prison, the local prison. No, I'm just kidding. And then I have it sent to my house. Glad I caught the stream. Subbed. Yes. Be sure to sub, like, and subscribe. We're trying to hit more subscribers over here so we get more people that can just enjoy this content. And then when you like and subscribe as well, and you're watching, that shows like other people like, hey, YouTube gives out the video to other people to look at. So liking is a big thing that you guys can do, especially for this stuff. If you want to donate, that's also another way, but mainly just liking, being a part of the show, being part of the chat. That's mainly what I like a lot for that interaction. But there is those options if you do want to donate, those types of things. But if anything, just being part of the show, being here, that's more than enough for me. Visit StadiaDosage website. Yes, on the pntsnetwork.com/StadiaDosage.php. Please go check it out. That's where I pulled that article. Shout out to Jack the Slip for that nice article of the breakdown of basically what happened yesterday for the at least for the Windows portion, But there's still the other part where they had, the trials part. Then now you can actually search your games a lot easier. I don't know if they did a UI update. I don't think so. I'll have to go back and kind of see. I don't think they mentioned anything of that, but it'd be nice if they had that. I'm glad you clarified that because I just subbed myself. I didn't realize I wasn't watching it on your channel. Yeah. So this is the Stadia Dosage channel. So you still want to be subscribed here, hit that bell so that way you know when it's going live. And then also like the video too. And then also hit the bell on my videos so that way you know when they're going live as well, which pretty much impromptu for the most part. I have some such schedules for shows, but most of the time it's just kind of like I'll pop on a stream and then it'll be like an hour or two or less or more. Depends on really what I got going. But right now I kind of have my stuff, all my ducks in a row right now. So that means I can kind of splurge a bit more on my gaming, if you will. So you guys will probably be seeing me roll a lot of credits here in the next couple of days, to be honest. So I already got it planned. Man, I have so many streams scheduled this week. I've been doing doubles this week. I'm earning my king of content this week. For sure, man. For sure. Just keep it up. Keep doing it. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the day, the show today. Having a good day as well. I know I am. Woke up energized today, so gonna be excited to get into more content later today. Like, it's crazy, man. There's so many things to do. Like, still have probably like a good 26, 27 games to just take a gander at. I wonder if I can cut it down to maybe like 20-minute increments, right? So then that means then I could do that within like 9 hours maybe or something like that. I don't know. If I cut it down to like 20-minute first looks or something like that, I don't know. It'll be interesting. I think about how I could crunch it down, but let me hit this water. Oh man. But I hope the information wasn't too much at the beginning. Wasn't too overbearing. And you guys understood what I was talking about with all that jargon. I tried to bring it down a few levels. Let's see. Trying to see if there's really anything else on here. Oh, I don't think hashtag. Oh, I'm glad hashtag media guy got into it now. I don't think he knew about the giveaway. Ooh. That's good. So many people are entered now. It's probably like 1,000 or so entries. No, it's only 400. So if you guys want to enter, I'll post it again in the chat so you guys can go directly to it. Just a little quick reminder for the giveaway. Got a couple more days left on it, so definitely make sure you sign up for it. It's for a spicy wasabi controller. I know Cloud Validation would love that in his collection with his spicy stuff that he likes to say. No, I'm just kidding. No, that'll be good. That'll be good for you because it's, again, the best controller that you can be playing with on Stadia. And yeah, that's my opinion though, apparently. But it does give you a little bit of some superpowers, you know, because it is Wasabi controller and it's, you know, looks so good, all that stuff. That's probably the best comment I've heard ever. David P is like, you got a good vibe, bro. Your voice is like an indica. I do like a bit of that stuff too, but that's a whole nother topic. But yeah, no, I get told, like, I don't know, it's like my voice is like soothing. And I think my cats like it too, because they always go like onto my like chest and stuff, or like around my chest when I'm like doing my shows or when I'm laying down. I don't know. It's weird. Like the vibrations or something. Cats are weird. That purple. So Squids, I'm starting to do a versus streams where I face people in different games, best of 5. Now I already beat John. I'm taking on Jack today and John again on Friday. Are you next? Yeah, but I gotta get some games. Indica in the couch. In the couch. Yeah, it'll have to kind of be with my schedule, and I know you're on East Coast time, 3 hours ahead now, so ooh-wee, it's gonna be interesting. Because I kind of have like a 8 to 5 schedule here soon. But yeah, because it's going to be really tight for me to even just make content. But yeah, definitely. Let's figure it out. Trying to think here, because pretty much like once I get off, it's like, oh, geez. I got like 5-6 hours. So I can maybe donate like an hour or two or hour. I don't know. We'll have to see. You'll have to get more back with me on like for sure times things. But yeah, man, I'm down. Let's see. Game streams, YouTube. So this is also kind of also cloud validation. This is how you could kind of like branch and make like your own different streams of content, right? Like you got this StadiaDosage stuff is like more newsy stuff, things like that. And then like how we have in the StadiaDosage right here, we have the StadiaDosage game streams channel. So there's a whole subscriber base that can be built upon that, and then that's even more money. And that's how like for YouTube business stuff, like if you want to become like a big YouTuber, you got to have like multiple channels, have multiple languages eventually, things like that, right? Like you got to do moves like that. So just think about it this way, like probably 80 to 90% of people in the world can't listen to this content or can't watch this content because people don't know English. If this were to be translated like this show or another show, like I know, shout out actually to the Nerf Report, right? Like he has a whole Spanish channel for Nerf Report. Like he pays people to transcribe and do all that stuff, voice acting for his videos. So I don't know if he does that. Don't quote me on that if he pays them, but I know he has a whole channel for Spanish. But like that's how you can kind of do that, and that's kind of like what we're doing here a little bit. Like you got the streams channel here, so check out that as well. Basically do all the community play streams on there. We'll figure out the game for this week. I don't know what we'll be doing yet. We'll have to figure that out. I'll probably do another poll, and then we'll figure out what game we'll be playing. Destiny Squids, do you want that work in Destiny? Yeah, I could probably work you on that, because I mean last time I had someone else with me, so you kind of had that extra person to kill instead of just me, which you didn't kill me that much. So but yeah, if you want to use your Jotun or try to use your Titan thing that doesn't work anymore, sure. Everyone, make sure you're following us on the StadiaDosage Twitter. Be sure to follow us there. Hooey. But yeah, we'll be crunching down the show in a bit. Just vibing out with some music right now with you guys. Put anything else that you guys got in the chat. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm going to see if there's anyone new that popped up in here that I didn't shout out just yet. Let's see. The Android UK, thank you, brother, for coming on in. Appreciate you. And Gandara, I think I gave you a shout out earlier too, but shout out again to you. And shout out to Christopher Torres for being a member in the chat. Appreciate you. I'm trying to create more community content that people can be a part of and have some buzz going on. Oh yeah, no, that'll be good. That'll be good, man. That'll be good buzz. I'll probably be collaborating and stuff with more people, and then trying to do like more gameplay things with like some of you guys' favorites. Shout out to AKA Main Games. Hey yo, what's up, man? How you doing, dude? Nice to see you. You kind of got here at the tail end. We did a nice like breakdown of the technical stuff from yesterday, and then kind of just went over some other stuff and thoughts. But it's pretty cool stuff today. Some YouTube business stuff. We diving deep again, huh? We always dive deep here. It's world famous Planet Squid. There's only like one of me. That's funny. Oh. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. Well, maybe I will. Someone just saw a Peggy of Far Cry 3 rating for Far Cry 3 on the Stadia into the clouds. So that should be pretty nice. I'm excited for that. Far Cry 3 Blood Dragon. Wow, we another one. Another Ubisoft title, right? Another one. It's all good. I'll be kind and rewind. Appreciate that. I know I'm going to give Maine some work and some games for sure. And Lo-Fi gonna beat the F up also. Ooh, he's coming. Swoogity, he's coming in for that booty. Man, I'm coming for the whole Stadia community. Okay. Not a member. Become one today, dang it. Do it to it. What up, everybody? Hey, yo. What up? Nice to have you, man. Thanks for coming on by. Yeah, last night, that was wild on that typing game. Tell you what, I don't know. I'll have to figure out another more unique way to kind of make that more entertaining. Not that I can freestyle, but I was thinking about it, like just with those words, because then that'll be another just level of challenge while I'm typing at the same time. If I did that in another language, that'd be a whole nother level too. But yeah, dude. Oh shit, that was too much fun. Yeah, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the video from yesterday and also the other Nanotale. Well, I didn't do it so much on the other Nanotales. I did it more so on this one, but it was just like, I don't know, the words that they have you type in that game. It's just like, what? Why? Prom, date, koi, like what? What do you guys have me type here? I'm down for some games anytime. And now your mama knows. Anytime. Me too. Oh, hey. Oh, still waking up. I gotta stand up. But if you guys haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. If you feel the vibe, I'm SQUiDzzz with 3Z's. I come in peace. I'm actually gonna go grab a energy drink. Hold on. I'll be right back. My damn hair. Ugh, it's stuck in my hoodie. Wow. That hurt. That hurt. My hair is too crazy, man. Also, this is where the name SQUiDZZZ also comes from. Like, look at this shit. Ah. All right. I'm gonna get that shit out of my face. We got today Raging Raspberry Hibiscus. Bang. This is also a secret to how I stream so much too and do all this content and crazy stuff. Bang. Energy. Good stuff. Crack coffee. Had to pour it into the cup. Long hair, don't care. Right? Good stuff, thanks. Oops. Why aren't you giving me the comment now? Man, did you see me, did you see my best of 5 against John Scar on Monday? I whooped that bum. Now, today I'm facing off Jack in Mad Streets. Then Friday, John on Mad Streets. When am I going to beat you? Wait. Wait. ASMR pouring session? I still got a little bit left. I can, you know. Hold on. Is that ASMR pouring session? Oh yeah, it. I was like, back to the grind. All right, catch you later, Cloud Validation. Appreciate you. Oh well. All right. Well. If anything, I hope you guys enjoying the show as I just casually throw the can over my shoulder. I missed the trash though. It's all right. But yes, make sure you guys go check out the giveaway. And I got SQUiDZZZ with 3Z's running from me in Destiny. Man, not even. Not even. There you go. Gotta get some ASMR content. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. When I buy Mad Streets is when we can play it. I already have Destiny. I play Destiny pretty much every day. So it's a matter of you becoming available if you want. So I'll have the smoke any day because I smoke every day. But it's just do you want the smoke? I don't know if you can handle it. I don't want to embarrass you. Because you can't uninstall games on Stadia, so can't uninstall Destiny 2 if that were to lead to that. But yes, everyone, be sure to check out the StadiaDosage Twitter. We are live. A lot of stuff over there. A lot of content. See y'all when we are live and stuff. So pretty much just shows every day, 7:10 p.m. It might be an earlier time next week, so I'll let you guys know. I'll coordinate that more with you guys. It might be an earlier time, so it might work for some, but some might have to watch the VOD. I apologize, but I can't do like the 7:10 time just because I'd have to go to, like, I'm already at work at this time. Like, I'd have to be at work, like, working already. So that's why I'll have to push it back or push it forward like maybe an hour or two. But who knows, if I'm not able to wake up that early, we might have to do like a nightly show or something, switch it up. But I'll let you guys know more on that. I still want to try to get the morning stuff for you guys because I know it's not like pivotal for your morning, but it helps you guys. And I like to help you. I want to be in the room for that match. You can do a custom match and take care of any detail. Yeah, exactly. Yep. But I love you guys. I love chatting and chilling with you guys. I feel like we have a true brotherhood. Oh yeah, definitely. Brother from another mother. But yes, check out the pntsnetwork.com/StadiaDosage.php. Do it to it.
Perfect.
Good stuff on there. Oh yeah, and now your mama knows it's all love. That's what I'm talking about, man. Best of 5, 1v1, and Destiny 2. I actually have orientation for a new job today, so I've got some changes to make my stream schedule real soon. Yeah, same here, because it's like I'll have that schedule, and then I'll have my newer schedule after that, which I don't know what schedule I have after that, which hopefully I can get a later time, so then we can go back to this time. So it'll be like maybe 2 weeks of an earlier show, if not a later show. But I'll let you guys know for sure. But yes, the Friday streams will still go on. We'll probably do that more on the later end of the day, and then still do like the morning show if I'm able to manage it. But yes, Friday, we got that stream this Friday. I'll set up a poll probably today at some point, and then we'll figure out the game that we'll play. Put some stuff in the chat if you guys want to, play something. Destiny 2 custom 1v1 matches. Let's get it. All right. That's awesome, man. Yes, it is. Congrats on the new job, my brother, as well. But yeah, we can get some 1v1s in here. Man, will you be able to talk some wrestling later? But go ahead and put the last bits of your chats out there, because we're going to get ready to cut down the show. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and hit that bell as well, so that way you know when we're live. This was Chill Times with SQUIDZZZ. I'm your host, SQUIDZZZ with 3 Z's. I might be world famous, and yeah, we do a lot of different streams. A lot of different talk shows too. Probably just a couple now. We used to do like a lot more, but not as much anymore. Kind of just this show, and then my Tuesday show, and then we might start to make like another hangout show like after this. Mainly when I got time. Because even during the work week, I don't know if I'll be able to do a morning show right after on my channel. Because that's like 2 hours or more that I have to kind of carve out with waking up at like 6 or something. So I'd have to be getting up at like 4 or some shit crazy. So I don't know. I'm not trying to break my body, but who knows. Thanks, y'all. Besides, I have to repay you for some of those tactics you used last time we played Rumble at SQUIDZZZ. Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude. I don't know. Like, I was top fragging yesterday, and I was pissing off some warlocks. I was pissing off some people, like with the stuff I was doing. Like, I had people shooting their submachine gun bullets on my body and teabagging me and shit yesterday. It was funny because they're just pissed from dying, and then they'd shortly die after that, which is funny. So I don't know. I'd see him die in that same like moment. Awesome show, Squid. I totally appreciate you, brother. Yeah, man, I appreciate you. I hope this will help, like, again, the folk that don't really know programming too much, kind of like have a different take on it and stuff. Little, another way so you can kind of understand it. Break it down another couple levels for you guys. And then kind of just talk about the summit and other things and just vibe out with you guys. Like, just love doing that. It's probably, I don't know, this is probably the highlight of my day, honestly, is just starting the day out with you guys. So appreciate the support and everything too. And now your mom knows it's from 10 to 2 my time, so I should be good. If anything changes, I'll send you a text. They honestly hit me up yesterday, so that's why I didn't rely on it or reply to it immediately. Gotcha. But yeah, put out your last bits of chats. Slam that like button, subscribe as well. We'll be live again tomorrow, probably the same time again. We'll probably continue the rest of this week, same time. And then next week again, we'll just go over the times and stuff. It might be an earlier time or it might be a later time. Really just depends on how I feel. So I'll try like maybe on a Monday or Tuesday, the earlier time, see how I feel, if I'm like able to do that, because I want to make sure I don't go to sleep in my classes or anything here either. So gotta make sure I do all that. But man, but we'll be off like in the evening, and then pretty much after that, like make more content, and then yeah. Hey chat, hey SQUiDzzz, hey Purple Haze in the building. Nice to see you. Never member. Hey yo. Shout out to Purple Haze and Main Games. Sounds good, man. Okay. Yeah, I appreciate you guys as well for popping in here, being a member, all that stuff, man. Appreciate it. Because thought you guys probably wouldn't have a lot of things going on here. Ooh-wee. Coming in with a $5 holla. $5. Thank you. Lurking while working. Okay. That's what I love doing. Lurking while working. Gotta love it. You might have to go back on the video though, because we're just at the tail end here, but I might go a little bit longer here. Probably like another maybe 7 to 8 minutes since you kind of just got in here. Let's probably play I think we got a song or two. We got one song, so I'll play one more after this. And then, yeah. Let's see. Wow, we went through 50 songs. Jesus.
Perfect.
Or more. A lot of songs. Hey Squid, did you ever get your controller to connect to Stranger Paradise? No. I just uninstalled that shit. Nope. Nope. I don't know if I'll buy the game because that's I don't know if the game will work for me. Maybe if my brother buys it or it's on Game Pass, sure. I'll try it out. But until that happens, which is highly unlikely, I don't know. Go down one more here. Purple, what's going on? Are you still good for a women's event on Sunday? I've been trying to get to you. Of course I am. Sweet. Yo, that's gonna be tight. You didn't see my possible solution I sent on Twitter? Are you talking to now your mama knows? Wow, this chat has all the cool people. Yeah, and the coolest toast. Nah, just kidding. Nice to see you though, Purple Haze. Thanks for coming on by. I do this for you guys. Do this for you guys. Trust me, it ain't easy. It ain't easy. But it's cheesy. No. I can't have cheese. I'm vegan. I'd die. I always like to joke with people they're like, what happens if you have meat or cheese or whatever? I just joke with them I guess I would die, right? I would die. No, I would just be really sick and probably be sitting on the toilet for a bit. Awesome. Yeah, that's good. It's good to know. I mean, a nice epic show on Sunday. No, you Squid. I had asked you if you connected your controller and oh yeah, I already. So I don't know if I told you. I already did all that. I updated my controller and my Xbox. Everything was updated. Even tried the other controllers. Nothing. So I don't know if my Xbox is done. I don't think that's the case. Because the input works when you're navigating on everything else, like, or other games. So I don't know if it's literally the build of the Xbox build that I downloaded exactly at that time, but I don't know. I'm not too worried about it though. Not too worried about it anymore. Now it has all the cool people now that you're here, Purple. That is true. Now that you're here, we can get the party started. Let me go back to one of my favorite ones on here. It's called Orange Octopus. All right. Also, does 12 p.m. Eastern work for you, Purple, for the Sunday? Yeah, that would be cool. Catch the Women's Month content. That works. And now your mama knows, and thanks. Sweet. So you guys heard it first. There's going to be another show with Purple Haze, and now your now your mama knows. Dang, G, I feel it. On to the next one. Yeah, I might honestly try it on because I do have the Xbox One S, right? So I'm gonna try it on there, but that's more so like once again I kind of want to put that time and effort into downloading the 50 gigabyte thing, which I hate doing downloads so much because I can't play Stadia or really do anything. I can play Switch, some other things, but it just uses a lot of the bandwidth and for nothing either. It's like I'm just sitting here. But I don't know, I might try it again. Maybe this weekend I might have some extra time to download it onto my original Xbox here and try it there. See if the same thing happens. If it does, then that just confirms it's definitely an Xbox bug because yeah, it happens on the X and the One S. There's a problem. There's even like problems on Elden Ring, which people don't talk about too much, but we're not going to get into all that here. But a lot of games have issues. And that's going back to the whole game argument and stuff. It's like, I understand people want games, but it takes time to develop things. Like, you can't just like, well, we bought this company, we're just gonna put this game on. No, you got to make it from the ground up for Stadia. Like, you got to make a whole new game, pretty much. So I don't know. I guess people are maybe starting to realize that, but I don't know. I understand. I mean, you could check out gameplay from myself or Winye. Yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely check that out for sure. Actually, now that we're speaking about it, I might just do that right now, right? Let me see. I guess on my break, right? Might as well spend that hour while I'm doing the break to download Xbox stuff. See if it works or not. Might as well, right? Gotta do some wires though. Okay, hold on. Hey. I'm gonna do this. Bada bing, bada boom. The Xbox is ready to go on. Oh, then we gotta do this. Grab the trusty dusty. Turn this thing rusty thing on. All right. Might as well just get the download going right now, right? Oh, it didn't even turn on. Oh shit, it is broken. Oh yeah, it is broken. The hard drive actually went out, or the power supply went out. Doesn't turn on anymore. Yeah, it just turns off. It finally fried itself. Because remember when I spilt that liquid on it? I haven't used it in probably like a couple months. So I think it now actually kicked the can. That's unfortunate. RIP. Yeah, no. I had this fragrance jar with like those sticks in it or whatever. And it, I don't know, some linen smell bullshit. And I was moving some shit and it knocked on over into the like fan area of the Xbox and just, yeah. It was the One S, so it's not like that detrimental, but it's just like, damn it, I wanted to still use this thing here. There's no way to really dry it out either. It just doesn't power on. It doesn't stay on. Oh, maybe we can, it's going on now. Hold on. We might have actually gotten it. Oh no, it turned off. Can it let me connect here? Yeah, it's something with the power of the hard drive is like not communicating. That's weird. But that's, again, why I kind of like the cloud systems, because you get to enjoy that stuff. I think I got it to work now. I just had to boot up like 3 or 4 times. I think I got it. Oh shit, I almost fell out of my seat. Turn this thing on. I gotta change the damn input. Is this thing even powered on? Hold on. Wow, Rip, I have one of those. It has oils in it, right? Yeah, that thing causes damage if knocked over. Yeah, definitely does. Wow, that's a lot of damage. Wait a minute, how come my monitor is not turning on? Oh, there it is. I was like, why? All right, so let me grab that download. I'll let you guys know how long that takes and why cloud gaming is just better because of that. But geez, let me input. I can't see. Is it this? Yeah. DVI? No, it's on. What is it on? Oh, it's not even. It's. Oh, that's right. I didn't plug the HDMI into this. Hold on, I got to do all this extra shit here. All right. Well, I'll probably catch you guys in a bit though, because I got to do like a lot of stuff now. Forgot I gotta plug this damn HDMI, put it in here. Whatever. But yeah, Xbox woes, man. Xbox woes. The one Xbox is working. I'm gonna turn this one off now. I'll try Stranger Paradise one more time on this just to see if it works. It works. If it doesn't, that confirms it's an Xbox bug. And I probably will throw my Xbox out the window. No, I'm just kidding. Wow, Rip. Yeah, definitely causes some damage if knocked over. Oh, it turned off. That's not good. It turned off. All right, hold on. I'm going to shut down the show, guys. But thanks, Maine. Thanks, guys, for coming on by. Before you hit the 2-hour mark and everything, but yes. But thanks again, Squids, for all that you do. Yes, thank you as well for the support and just all that you do as well. And just, you know, being part of the community too. In the chat here and a member. Thank you. But I'm going to sign out at this point, guys, before we continue further and further. Just going to get some breakfast and other stuff going and kind of go from there. But peace out. SQUIDZZZ out. Bye.